David at URAL Motorcycles here, out behind URAL headquarters, doing a walk around of a little shop project we did. Originally this started out as a Northwest Gray bike. They came in with from the factory with knobby tires and a black drivetrain. And this one also has the, you can kind of see it in the reflection there, you got the undercoating under the tub, up under the fenders, so front fender, sidecar fender, and rear fender and under the tub are all undercoated. And what we did with this one was we were going to take some pictures of it, and we just had to doll it up a little bit. And so we took off some stock components, front and rear fender clips, valve covers, rear passenger grab handles, headlight trim ring, and the stock sidecar front bumper. And then we threw in some standard accessories like the front nose rack, the protective light guards for the sidecar and the rear. And we sent everything off and had it powder coated, including the jerry can holder, rear bumper there, as you can see. We also did the Kickstarter lever, and we added a red skid plate, all powder coated the same color. And then Ilya, our boss, saw it the first time when it was being built and dubbed it the Red Sparrow. So I went and had those little sparrow stickers produced and put them on more or less as a joke, but now the bike is called or referred to by everyone as the Red Sparrow. So there's a couple other touches on here that we did that would be, you can see the trunk handle there, that was also done. The shovel was done in red, but that was a nightmare. Had to disassemble that. That wouldn't be available as a standard option. I cut down the sidecar mud flaps and the rear mud flap as I do on my personal bikes, just because I think it looks a little bit more off-roadish. I added short turn signal stems to bring the turn signal in closer to the body, which again, that's just a personal customization thing. And then we added the new GPR 2-in-1 stainless steel high pipe, which is absolutely beautiful. You can see the skid plate down there too. And the tank badges, I actually hand painted those. That's another item that would not be available if you were to buy these parts yourself. We added some Koso grips, which are on our website, available to purchase. And then we added one of our accessory ball mount top clamps, and then I painted the inlay there of the logo red, which again, it's just a personal touch. But yeah, just a little bike that we decided to play with and spruce up a little bit from its original configuration. And honestly, just doing a few highlights, whether you like the valve covers or not, or all those trim pieces or not, that would be up to you. But yeah, a little splash of color on a otherwise monochromatic bike, and it really dressed it up. And you can literally do this with any Ural. Think about it, just in yellow or blue or orange or red like we've done, and just really change the look of it, set it apart from other Urals that are out on the road. Anyway, just want to do a little quick walk around and show off what we did before this bike leaves.